In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add film bloom in CapCut. Film bloom is that soft, dreamy glow you see in cinematic footage, where bright areas feel airy and highlights blend gently into their surroundings. It's great for romantic scenes, lifestyle edits, or any clip where you want a warm, vintage vibe without harsh edges. Start by opening CapCut. Give the editor a moment to load, and make sure you're in a new or existing project so you can work comfortably on the timeline. If you're using the desktop or web version, the layout may look slightly different, but the tools we'll use are in the same general places. Add your video to the project. Import your clip and place it on the timeline so you can see the waveform and preview it in the viewer. If you're working with multiple shots, it helps to trim and arrange them first. Then apply effects so you can keep the look consistent across the whole sequence. Check your exposure and contrast before you begin. Bloom looks best when your highlights are bright but not already blown out. Open the effects library. Click the effects button near the timeline or in the left panel to bring up the catalog. This panel lets you layer stylistic looks onto your footage, and you can stack multiple effects to build a custom aesthetic, just like we'll do for a filmic glow. In the search bar, type Luminance and apply the luminance effect to your clip. Luminance enhances the brightest parts and starts that characteristic bloom. Play a short preview and watch the highlights. Windows, light bulbs, or sunlit edges should feel softer and gently expanded. If it's too strong or too subtle, adjust the intensity or mix so the glow looks natural and doesn't wash out faces or skies. Also, make sure the effect covers the entire duration of your clip so the look doesn't turn on or off mid-scene. Next, search for nostalgia and apply that effect too. Nostalgia adds warmth and a delicate softness that complements luminance, turning the glow into a film-like vintage tonality. With both effects active, fine-tune nostalgia's strength so colors remain balanced and skin tones stay believable. If edges or on-screen text appear fuzzy, dial the mix down slightly until detail returns. Again, extend the effect to match your clip length for a seamless result. And that's all you need to create a smooth, cinematic film bloom in CapCut. Open CapCut, add your video, click Effects, apply Luminance, then add Nostalgia. Give it a quick preview, tweak the intensity to taste, and enjoy that timeless glow.